Okay, boys and girls. It is time for our new Saxon phonics lesson. We are on Saxon phonics lesson 116, so you need a new packet today. Your new packet should have spelling list 23 on the front, so you can put your name on the front of it. And eyes are up here. Alright, so our essential question, how do I use my phonics skills to become a better reader? Some of our standards that we focus on during phonics is to know our grade level phonics skills for decoding words, like knowing our long and short vowels, sounds in one-syllable words, knowing our vowel digraphs, being able to decode two-syllable words, and knowing if the syllable is long vowel, and identifying words with prefixes and suffixes, and then knowing those funny words that we learn during the school year. So let's look at our lesson today. We are going to start out with our new spelling list. So let's look at it. Spelling list 23. Alright, you do notice several of the words have the soft C sound in it, like in lace, twice, place, price, race. Alright, we have some trigraph TCH. So after a short vowel sound, we have trigraph TCH. If we have the ch sound, like in scratch, pitch, here. Alright. Words 16 through 20 are sight words. You just have to memorize those words. Okay, so let's go over your words. You can code them if you would like to help you better sound out the words. So let's go over them. All right, word 1. We have A, sneaky E. So the A is going to say what sound? A. It says it's long sound. Let's sound it out, excuse me. Ace. What word? Lace. I have lace on my dress. Lace. Next word. I, sneaky E. Think about your vowel sound. Let's sound it out. Twice. What word? Twice. I had to brush my hair twice to get all the knots out. Twice. Next word. Thank. What word? Thank. Thank you for my gift. Thank. Number 4. Scratch. What word? Scratch. I'll scratch my arm. Next word. A, sneaky E. It's going to say its name. Place. What word? Place. 6. Crusty. What word? Crusty. The sandwich was getting old and crusty. Crusty. Number 7. Noun. 8. Itch. Pitch. What word? Pitch. He will pitch me the ball. Next word. Middle. What word? Middle. I will sit in the middle of the seat. Middle. Number 10. Bottle. What word? Bottle. The baby will drink its bottle. Number 11. Sneaky E. Price. What word? Price. A sneaky E. Race. What word? Race. 13. Quick. What word? Quick. 14. Cattle. A group of cows are called cattle. 15. Wing. Now your funny words. 16. That word is mother. What word? Yes, mother. Spell it. M-O-T-H-E-R. What word? Mother. My mother is so kind. Mother. Number 17 is eye. What word? Yes, eye. My eye is itching. Eye. Spell it. E-Y-E. Eye. 18 is heard. What word? Yes, heard. I heard a noise outside. Heard. Spell it. H-E-A-R-D. What word? Heard. The next word is whose. What word? Yes, whose. Spell it. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. Whose pencil is this? Whose. Number 20 is young. What word? Young. The young boy is playing on the playground. Young. Spell it. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. All right, remember the words on 16 through 20. You just have to study those and memorize how to spell them. Can't sound them out. All right, 21. You have a sentence. Let's read it. Wipe your face with your napkin. Take a breath. Not your hand. Again, wipe your face with your napkin, not your hand. All right, we took a breath. Why? We have a comma there. That comma means pause and take a breath. All right. Our sentence begins with a capital letter. It ends with a period because it is an imperative sentence. It's bossing you. It's telling you what to do. Number 22. Whose turn is it to pick up the papers? Whose turn is it to pick up the papers? This sentence is asking a question. It's interrogative, so it ends with a question mark because it's asking a question. All right, study your sentences as well because you will have those sentences at the end of your test. You will have to figure out which ones are written correctly. All right, your test will be on Friday. What day? Friday. So study those words. All right, here's today's lesson. Lesson 116. Put your name on the spelling and high frequency word practice page here. This is our practice today. Alright, let's go over your keyword pictures. Lots of new sounds. Our words are getting bigger. We're having to do more coding on these words because they have more syllables. These are multisyllabic words, means more syllables, more than one. Alright, here we go. Delicious, final stable syllable, C-I-O-U-S, shus. One more time. Delicious, final stable syllable, C-I-O-U-S, shus. Nutritious, final stable syllable, T-I-O-U-S, shus. One more time. Nutritious, final stable syllable, T-I-O-U-S, shus. They make the same sound. Banana, schwa-a, cashew, digraph E-W, U, glue, digraph U-E, U, key, digraph E-Y, E, sponge, Scrabble, O, wallet, A, mission, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, shun, television, final stable syllable, S-I-O-N, jeune, and lotion, final stable syllable, T-I-O-N, shun. Alright, let's go over our review cards. Let's name the letters first. Digraph E-Y, ghost letter digraph W-R, digraph A-U, digraph U-E, trigraph I-G-H, digraph A-Y, final stable syllable T-I-O-N, digraph N-G, final stable syllable T-I-O-U-S, combination I-R, final stable syllable S-I-O-N, final stable syllable C-I-O-U-S, digraph C-H, combination O-R, trigraph T-C-H, trigraph D-G-E, digraph O-A, vowel Y, I consonant E, combination A-R, diphthong O-Y, A consonant E, U consonant E, affix cards. So far we've learned suffixes. Suffixes are added to the end of a root word to change its meaning. Suffix less means without. If something is homeless, it is without a home. Suffix ly can be used as an adverb. It can tell how the action happens, like quickly. Suffix ER can mean a person who does something, or it can be used to compare two things. We can say a farmer is a person who farms, or we can say I am taller than you. Suffix EST means the most when comparing three or more things. My dad is the tallest of us all. Suffix EN means made of. If something is golden, it is made of gold. Sight word cards. Let's read these the fast way. Let me hear your voice. Beautiful. Certain. Climb. Door. Floor. Give. Live. Move. Often. Poor. Early. Several. Thought. Through. Should. Strange. Stranger. Tough. Been. Fought. Whose. Rough. Become. Could. Bought. Love. Change. Both. Danger. Country. Something. Measure. Together. Against. Herd. Island. Daughter. America. Learn. Enough. Don't. Answer. Government. Trouble. Woman. Goes. Would. Usually. Come. Father. Where. Tomorrow. What. Many. Friend. Want. Full. Done. All right, boys and girls, put your finger on number 1. Let's go over your sounds. All right, number 1. Echo me. R. Yes, R. Write it. What letters? Combination AR. Number 2. Full. Yes, full as in ruffle. What letters? Final stable syllable FLE. Number 3. Jeune. Yes, jeune. Write it. What letters? Yes, final stable syllable SION, like in television. Number 4. Ch. Yes, ch. Think about the ways to form that in the initial and final position. You should have CH, final, CH, comma, TCH. If it's a short vowel sound, you'll spell with TCH. Any other pattern is CH. All right, number 5. Ooh. Yes, ooh. Write it. You should have L, final LL for the floss rule. Number 6, U. Yes, U. Write it.
Teachers, please excuse this interruption. We need a custodian for room 305, please. We need a custodian for room 305, please. Thank you.
You should have U consonant E, comma, U with a macron, final digraph UE. So if you hear long U sound at the end of a word, it's digraph UE.
Attention teachers, if you still have any virtual picture proofs, could you please send them to the office? Thank you.
Number 7, J. Yes, J. Write all the ways to spell that sound, initial and final. You should have J, comma, G, final DGE, comma, GE. If it is a short vowel sound, you'll spell with trigraph DGE. Any other spelling pattern is GE. Check your work. Number 8, combination. Yes, like in whale. What letters? Combination WH. Number 9, Q. Yes, Q. Also a combination. What letters? QU, stick like glue, combination QU. All right, let's spell some words. Think about the rules we have learned in the last few weeks. Number 10, spell the word sharp. Sharp. My pencil point is very sharp. Tell me the sounds you hear. Get ready. Sh, R, P. Sharp. Spell it on the line. All right, let's spell it. SHARP. What word? Sharp. Sharp. That one should be pretty easy for you. All right, number 11. Scout. Scout. I was a Girl Scout when I was younger. Scout. Tell me the sounds you hear in scout. Get ready. S, k, out. Scout. Think about where you hear the ow at. It's in the medial position. Think about how to spell it. Write it on number 11. Alright, let's spell scout. S-C-O-U-T. Scout. O-U in the medial position, O-W in the final. Number 12. Quick. Quick. I will make this stop very quick. Quick. Tell me the sounds you hear. Quick. Think about that final k sound. Quick. All right, let's spell it. Q-U-I-C-K. Short vowel followed by k is C-K. Quick. All right, your sight words are funny words. Number 13 is door. Door. Please open the door for me. Door. Door. All right, guys, let's spell it. D-O-O-R. What word? Door. All right, it's a funny word because O-O followed by R normally does not make the or sound, right? All right, all of these words that are funny words today follow the same spelling pattern. So if I can spell door, you can spell number 14. It follows the same funny pattern. So number 14, poor. Poor. If I spend all my money, I will be poor. Spell poor on number 14. Okay, so we changed that initial sound from D to P. P-O-O-R. Poor. So if I can spell door and poor, I can spell number 15. We're going to spell the word floor. Floor. My mom asked me to sweep the floor. Floor on number 15. Let's spell it. So we're going to change the P to fool. What is fool? F-L, that's right. F-L-O-O-R. Floor. Floor. All right, time for your sentence. Now let's review. What should a sentence begin with? Yes, a capital letter. What should a sentence end with? Punctuation mark. That's right. So if it is telling you something or giving you a command, a bossy sentence, what will it end with? A period. If it's showing strong emotion, exclamation point. If it's asking you a question, question mark. That's right. All right, echo this sentence. How many months are in a year? Listen again. How many months are in a year? Yes, how many months are in a year? Say it with me. How many months are in a year? Your turn. Say that sentence. Yes, how many months are in a year? What kind of punctuation mark should we put at the end of that sentence? We will need a question mark because we're asking a question. All right, it's your turn. You are going to write that sentence on the lines. All right, don't forget what you need to make your sentence correct. Pause the video when you're ready to check your work. Press play. All right, boys and girls, let's check your sentence. We said it is asking a question. So, how, capital H, many months, more than one, so we add suffix S, are in a year? Question mark. You don't have to have a fancy question mark, just a normal question mark will do. And year is digraph EA in year. So check your work. Alright, we're going to learn some new rules today. So let's look at some words. Alright, let's look at these words. Alright, do you see anything alike in these two words? They both have CI in them, right? Alright, what about these two words? You see anything in these two words? They both have TI in them. What about these two words? They both have I. They both have SI in them. They should have SIA, right? That's right. Alright,